Nationalism and populism. Nationalism and populism are two powerful political ideas that have shaped societies across the world for centuries. Although they are different concepts, they are often connected and can influence each other in important ways. Nationalism focuses on the idea of a shared identity among people who belong to the same nation, while populism centers on the belief that ordinary people are being ignored or exploited by powerful elites. Together, these ideas can shape political movements, influence public opinion, and affect how societies organize themselves and interact with others. Nationalism is based on the belief that people who share a common culture, language, history, or territory should come together as a unified nation. It emphasizes loyalty, pride, and a sense of belonging to one's country. Nationalism has played a major role in the formation of modern states, especially during historical periods such as the French Revolution, when people began to challenge traditional forms of rule and demand self-governance. Nationalism can be a positive force when it encourages unity, cooperation, and collective progress. It can strengthen social bonds and motivate people to work toward common goals, such as economic development or national security. However, nationalism can also have negative effects when it becomes extreme or exclusionary. In some cases, it can lead to the belief that one nation is superior to others, resulting in discrimination, conflict, or even violence. Extreme nationalism may promote hostility toward immigrants, minorities, or other nations, creating divisions within and between societies. It can also lead to isolation, where countries prioritize their own interests at the expense of global cooperation. Balancing national pride with respect for diversity and international collaboration is an important challenge for modern societies. Populism, on the other hand, is a political approach that claims to represent the interests of ordinary people against a perceived elite or establishment. Populist leaders often argue that political, economic, or cultural elites are out of touch with the needs of the general population. They present themselves as the voice of the people and promise to challenge existing systems or institutions. Populism can emerge in different forms and can be found across the political spectrum, from left to right. One of the key features of populism is its emphasis on simple solutions to complex problems. Populist messages often focus on clear and direct language that appeals to emotions rather than detailed analysis. This can make political ideas more accessible and engaging for the general public. However, it can also oversimplify issues and overlook important details or consequences. Populist movements often rely on strong leadership, where a single figure becomes the symbol of the people's voice, gaining significant influence over political decisions and public opinion. Nationalism and populism often intersect because both involve a strong focus on identity and belonging. Populist leaders may use nationalist ideas to strengthen their appeal, emphasizing the importance of protecting the nation from external threats such as immigration, globalization, or foreign influence. This combination can be powerful, as it connects emotional attachment to the nation with a sense of injustice or frustration among the population. It can mobilize large groups of people and create strong political movements. The rise of nationalism and populism in recent years has been influenced by various social and economic factors. Economic inequality, unemployment, and rapid social change can create feelings of uncertainty and dissatisfaction among citizens. When people feel left behind or ignored, they may be more likely to support leaders who promise to represent their interests and restore a sense of control. Globalization, which has increased interconnectedness between countries, has also contributed to these trends by creating both opportunities and challenges. While some people benefit from global trade and communication, others may feel that their jobs, culture, or identity are threatened. Media and communication technologies play an important role in the spread of nationalist and populist ideas. Social media platforms allow leaders and movements to reach large audiences quickly and directly. Messages can be shared widely, often without thorough verification, shaping public opinion and influencing political behavior. Emotional and dramatic content tends to attract more attention, which can amplify populist messages and reinforce nationalist sentiments. At the same time, these platforms can create echo chambers, where people are exposed mainly to ideas that confirm their existing beliefs. Nationalism and populism have both positive and negative implications for society. On the positive side, they can encourage political participation, give voice to marginalized groups, and highlight issues that may have been ignored by traditional institutions. They can also strengthen a sense of community and shared purpose. On the negative side, they can lead to polarization, weaken democratic institutions, and create divisions within society. When political discourse becomes focused on conflict rather than cooperation, it can be difficult to find common ground and address shared challenges effectively. Governments and societies face the challenge of responding to nationalism and populism in ways that preserve democratic values and social cohesion. This involves promoting inclusive policies, encouraging open dialogue, and addressing the underlying causes of dissatisfaction, such as inequality and lack of opportunity. Education and critical thinking are also important, as they help individuals evaluate political messages and make informed decisions. By fostering understanding and cooperation, societies can benefit from the positive aspects of these movements while reducing their negative impacts. In conclusion, nationalism and populism are influential forces that shape political and social life in many parts of the world. Nationalism emphasizes shared identity and unity, while populism focuses on representing the interests of ordinary people against elites. When combined, they can create powerful movements that influence public opinion, political systems, and international relations. While these ideas can promote participation and unity, they can also lead to division and conflict if not managed carefully. Understanding their causes, characteristics, and effects is essential for building balanced and inclusive societies in an increasingly interconnected world. If you found this video informative and engaging, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content that explores important political, social, and global issues in a simple and understandable way.